Today we have a new product that we're going to review, and this is the Oforui Sky Plus earbuds. Actually, this product offers a lot of features like ANC, 6 microphones for noise reduction, ENC, HIFI sound, and a battery life that goes up to 6 to 8 hours. So first things first, the box. To be honest, I'm amazed by the box. It feels like I'm buying an expensive watch. Everything here is in Chinese, so I believe this is a Chinese brand because everything you can see here is written in Chinese. But when you open the box, you will see another case inside, and in front of it, there's a text that says originated in United States, international brand. So this is definitely an international brand and it's from the US. But from what I can see everything here is on box is still in Chinese. Anyway, when we open the box, you will see a picture of a Statue of Liberty. The case is pretty clean and nice, which is really great. I've never seen something like this before and it's pretty cool. Inside the box, you got the earbuds with a charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and some extra ear tips for different ear sizes. And we don't forget a quick start guide because why not? But normally, we don't read the manual. Alright, let's talk about the design. The earbuds have a glossy finish, which I personally love because it doesn't pick up fingerprints. The case is tiny and actually you can put it in your pocket and I can feel it super sturdy and not flimsy. The earbuds themselves are super lightweight and you can feel that this is a cheap product and it looks way more expensive than they are. Now let's get into what really matters, the performance. Setting it up was so easy. It's Bluetooth 5.4. The connection was super stable. I didn't experience any lag or dropouts. Even if I go not too far away, it can pick up the signal, which is I really like. The ANC is super solid, especially for cutting out some low frequency sound like a fan or an air conditioning. It's not as intense as what you get from the higher end earbuds, but for this price, honestly, it's impressive. I also tested the gaming mode, which is reduces the audio latency, and it works. I appreciate that the sounds sync perfectly with the action. As for music, the bass is so punchy, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp without being harsh. It's not audiophile level, but it's a great for casual listening. This comes with a multiple ear tip sizes, so I was able to find a perfect fit. Once they are in, they're snug and secured. I wore them for a couple of hours and they stayed comfortable. No ear fatigue, and it's a IPX5 rating, so these can handle sweats or light rain, so they're gym friendly. Battery life is another big selling point, but the 27 hours with a case and on single charge, you're looking at around 6 hours of continuous use, which is pretty standard. The case charges via USB-C and the problem is no wireless charging. I don't mind that at this price.